we got out of our rig and we started walking, and we heard something that sounded like something slammed a something large down, and it went thump, you know.
What is that?
I have no idea.
It's pretty noticeable.
That one's big. Well, how about that? We already got something excited. We just heard something that did a big thump behind us. Are you picking up anything more?
Nothing.
Boy, that was a big lump.
That was pretty noticeable.
What did it sound like?
It sounded like a WoodKnock or a branch.
Yeah, it sounded like something way off in the distance.